Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. It says use sine or cosine to solve this triangle. S is 22 and Q is 15. So here's the triangle. Here's S, it's 22, it's side opposite the right angle, and so it's the hypotenuse. Q is 15, that's one of the legs. R is the other leg. Looks like you successfully found capital R and capital Q, and I went ahead and labeled those. Q is 43 degrees and R is 47 degrees, this angle. So you really have multiple choices here to do this. I guess I just decided to take, cosine of an angle equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So in this case, cosine of Q will equal the adjacent, which is R, over the hypotenuse, which is S, which is 22. So the angle here is 43 degrees. Cosine of 43 would be R over 22. Cosine, this angle would be adjacent over hypotenuse. I multiplied both sides by 22, and it's 22 cosine of 43 degrees. Make sure you have your calculator in degree mode when you put it in, and if you punch that in calculator, it'll come out 16.090. Hope that helps.